Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Rentec Direct is a reliable solution for landlords or just an overpriced basic platform. So stick around for a full breakdown. Rentec Direct delivers a user-friendly, web-based property management platform perfect for smaller portfolios with built-in tenant screening, marketing website integration, online rent collection via ACH or credit card, maintenance tracking, accounting, ledgers, e-sign leases, and a tenant portal. All backed by responsive customer support and transparent pricing per unit. But while most users rate its ease of use, reliability, and value highly, especially solo landlords or teams under 50 units. Others caution that its interface feels outdated, commercial capacity is limited, credit card processing brings chargeback risks unless carefully managed, and certain tasks like bulk deleting fees or QuickBooks integration can be cumbersome. So, if you want an affordable, full-feature basic PM tool and can tolerate minor quirks, Rentec Direct is worth considering. That's your full walkthrough. If you're managing a small portfolio and want a solid, affordable property management system, Rentec Direct could be the right fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews and platform comparisons.